Ever stared up at the moon, that silent watcher in the night sky, and wondered if it held secrets beyond its craters and phases? Well, today, we're diving into a different kind of lunar mystery, one that's been buzzing in the gaming community. Is Lunar Client a PvP powerhouse? If you're into Minecraft, especially the fast-paced, adrenaline-pumping world of player-versus-player combat, you've likely heard whispers of different clients. These aren't shady downloads, they're modified versions of the game designed to enhance your experience. Think of them as souped-up versions of your regular Minecraft, offering a range of tweaks and features. Now, Lunar Client has definitely made a name for itself. You see players sporting sleek capes, wielding customized crosshairs, and seemingly reacting with lightning-fast reflexes. This has led many to wonder, is Lunar Client specifically built for PvP? Does it give players an unfair advantage? Let's break it down. Lunar Client is undeniably popular within the PvP community, and for good reason. It packs a punch with features that cater directly to competitive play. Imagine being able to see vital information like your opponent's health bar floating directly above their head, no more guessing games. Or having a clearer view of your surroundings thanks to improved visibility options. These aren't game-breaking cheats, but they certainly provide valuable information at a glance, allowing you to make quicker, more informed decisions in the heat of battle. Beyond visual aids, Lunar Client often boasts performance enhancements. In the lag-sensitive world of online PvP, every millisecond counts. By optimizing the game's rendering and reducing unnecessary clutter, Lunar Client can contribute to smoother gameplay and potentially a slight edge in reaction time. Think of it like upgrading your gaming rig. It doesn't make you a better player overnight, but it can certainly help you perform at your best. Furthermore, customization is key. Lunar Client allows you to tweak a plethora of settings to your exact preferences. From fine-tuning your controls to personalizing your in-game interface, you can create an environment that feels perfectly tailored to your playstyle. This level of customization can lead to increased comfort and efficiency in combat situations. However, it's crucial to understand that Lunar Client, at its core, is a client designed to improve the overall Minecraft experience, with a strong emphasis on PvP. It's not an aimbot or a hack that magically makes you an unbeatable warrior. Skill, strategy, and practice are still paramount. A player with excellent game sense and reflexes will likely outperform someone relying solely on the client's features. Think of it like this: a professional chef uses high-quality knives and tools, but those tools don't make them a great chef. They enhance their existing skills. Similarly, Lunar Client provides tools that can enhance a skilled player's abilities in PvP. Other clients exist, each with its own set of features and community. Some might focus more on different aspects of Minecraft, while others also cater significantly to PvP. Lunar Client's popularity in the PvP scene stems from its well-rounded approach, offering a blend of performance improvements, useful visual aids, and extensive customization options that resonate with competitive players. So, to answer the initial question, is Lunar Client a PvP client? Absolutely, it's heavily favored and optimized for it. But is it only a PvP client? Not necessarily. Many players use it for various aspects of Minecraft due to its performance benefits and customization. However, its feature set undeniably leans towards providing players with advantages and information crucial for success in player-versus-player combat. It's a tool that, in the right hands, can certainly make a difference in the arena. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.